We're going to continue with guided practice question number 3, jumping right in to our multiple choice elimination routine, beginning by reading the question and looking for the question clue. So, question 3 states, which statement best explains the relationship between sea otters and the size of the kelp carbon pool? I am going to highlight best explains the relationship. Beautiful highlighting, Miss Francis. And this is asking me to look for the cause and effect. Mainly probably supported by the model. So when we're talking about cause and effect, we want to see how much kelp it stores with or without otters. Now let's begin by reading the choices. Choice number 1, sea otters decrease carbon storage by feeding directly on kelp. Choice number 2, sea otters increase carbon storage because they eat sea urchins that destroy kelp. Sea otters increase carbon storage because they release carbon dioxide while hunting. Choice number 4, sea otters decrease carbon storage because they reduce the number of herbivores. So number 1 says that otters eat kelp that lowers storage. This is incorrect. Otters don't feed on kelp. In the reading, we learned that they feed on sea urchins. So let's cross that out because that is totally incorrect based upon the first reading that we did. Now let's take a look at something else that may be incorrect. Let's see. Sea otters increase carbon storage because they eat sea urchins that destroy kelp. I'm going to keep this one and hold on to it and then continue going. Sea otters increase carbon storage because they release carbon dioxide while hunting. I'm also going to keep it. It doesn't sound too bad. Then that last one, sea otters decrease carbon storage. I'm going to cross this one out. If otters reduce the herbivores, if they reduce the sea urchins, then the kelp should actually increase. So the carbon storage it will also increase. It will not decrease. So that is incorrect. Now I'm stuck between choice 2 and choice 3. Choice number 2 and 3 are very similar in the beginning, but let's pay close attention to what makes them different. This one is saying that sea otters increase because they release carbon dioxide while hunting. And this one is saying because they eat sea urchins that destroy the kelp. So the one that I'm going to cross out is question 3. This one is kind of off topic, right? CO2 is released by otters while hunting isn't the reason why the kelp carbon pool changes in the model. The reason why it's changing is because the sea otters are interacting because they're eating the sea urchins that destroy the kelp. So our final answer for this one is question number 2.